New tonight, outbreaks are rising again at some long-term care facilities in our state. KCCI's Bo Bowman is live in Pleasant Hill, where one of the latest outbreaks was just reported. Bo?
Park Ridge Specialty Care is the newest on the state's list of coronavirus outbreaks at long-term care facilities. And if cases continue to rise across the state, health officials fear that Park Ridge won't be the last one. In President Trump's coronavirus task force briefing Wednesday, he reiterated that senior citizens are most at risk to catch and die from the virus.
And nearly half of the deaths have occurred among those living in nursing homes or long-term care facilities.
In Iowa, the number of long-term care facilities with COVID-19 outbreaks had been declining, and at one point as low as 12. Now, 20 facilities in the state are reporting outbreaks, including 3 in Polk County.
That was the most stressful month in my life.
Dave Anders is the clinical director at On With Life in Ankeny, a long-term care facility that managed an outbreak in April when it saw 33 positive cases among patients and staff. It was taken off the state's list of outbreaks in May after going 28 days without a new case.
Individuals who were COVID positive went to one hallway with the same air handling system so that we weren't spreading air and spreading the virus from one area of the building to another.
On With Life quarantined COVID-positive patients to one hallway and reserved a specific group of staff members who were only allowed to work in that wing. Anders says the best way to catch it early is constant surveillance testing using proper PPE and limiting visitors in and out of the facility. But they aren't solely reliant on their efforts inside.
The number of outbreaks within these kinds of facilities is entirely dependent on what's going on in the greater community.
The long-term rehabilitation center has begun to allow some visitors in these rooms, family members and loved ones still separated by plastic. But if coronavirus cases continue to climb in Iowa, that privilege could be revoked again.
We could very easily have exactly the same thing happen again here at On With Life.
On With Life is a long-term rehabilitation center where the average stay is only 2 to 3 months, but that still doesn't keep them from fearing a second bout with coronavirus. Live in Pleasant Hill, Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.